Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Today we're going to jump right into a short and sweet video showcasing the inspection and installation of my half-size Klein ModBox to Husky BuildOut adapter plate. Here's what to expect. My take on the slide lock mechanism is an in-channel pivoting mechanism that will flex and then lock itself in its channel when in the fully open or fully closed position. Here's a few pics to showcase this from under the lid, and everything is friction fit into place. As we continue with the product inspection, we also have our ModBox lockdown bracket with two embedded M5 nuts. These will lock in the Husky plate with two 18mm M5 bolts. Go ahead and slide it into the ModBox channel as a first step and eyeball where it will align with the holes on the Husky adapter plate. Next, go ahead and slide the adapter plate into the right side of the ModBox. Align the lockdown bracket and go ahead and tighten the two 18mm bolts into their respective spots. Please remember to hand tighten to avoid any possible cross-threading. At this point, we're done with the install. Make sure the lock mechanism is in the open position by pulling the tab out. Insert your Husky half-size tote or box and push it in to close and lock. Like I said, this one is short and sweet. At this point, thank you for your support and for watching. For anything else, cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.